How to budget your money like a pro. A beginner's guide. Imagine this. It's the end of the month and you're staring at your bank account wondering, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Millions of people across the world are stuck in this endless cycle. But what if I told you there's a simple, beginner-friendly way to take control of your finances and finally achieve financial freedom? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into how to budget your money like a pro. This isn't just another video about saving tips. It's your ultimate guide to mastering money management using actionable steps, tested strategies, and powerful budgeting methods that anyone can follow. Stick around because I'll share secrets that even financial experts swear by, and by the end, you'll have all the tools you need to transform your financial future. Chapter 1. Understanding the basics of budgeting. Let's start with the fundamentals. What exactly is a budget? Simply put, a budget is a plan for your money. It helps you decide how to spend, save, and invest in a way that aligns with your financial goals. Here's why budgeting is non-negotiable. Control your spending. Without a budget, your money controls you. With a budget, you're the boss. Achieve your goals faster. Whether it's buying a house, traveling the world, or retiring early, a budget makes it possible. Reduce financial stress. Knowing where every dollar goes gives you peace of mind. Did you know that over 60% of people don't track their expenses? Don't be part of that statistic. Stay tuned to learn how to reverse this. Chapter 2. Setting financial goals. The first step to a successful budget is knowing your why. Ask yourself, why do you want to budget your money? Short-term goals. Paying off credit card debt, saving for a vacation. Long-term goals. Building an emergency fund, investing in retirement. Actionable step. Write down 3 financial goals and categorize them as short-term, medium-term, or long-term. What if I told you that most people's dreams remain unachieved simply because they don't put them on paper? Stay tuned to learn how to crush your goals faster. Chapter 3. The 50/30/20 rule explained. One of the easiest ways to start budgeting is the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs. Rent, groceries, utilities, things you can't live without. 30% for wants. Entertainment, dining out, hobbies. 20% for savings or debt repayment. Building your future. Example. Monthly income $3,000. $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, $600 for savings or debt. Pro tip. Adjust these percentages based on your financial situation. For instance, if you have high debt, increase the savings category. Wondering how to tweak this rule for your specific income? Keep watching, I've got you covered. Chapter 4. Tools to simplify budgeting. You don't have to do this alone. There are tools to help you master budgeting. Budgeting apps. Mint, in-app, you need a budget. Pocket Guard. Spreadsheets. Simple, customizable, and free. Expense tracking apps. Track every penny effortlessly. Deep dive into tools. Mint. Free and user-friendly. Mint connects to your bank accounts to give you an automatic breakdown of your spending. In-app. Perfect for those who want to give every dollar a job. In-app offers hands-on control over your money, making it great for zero-based budgeting. Spreadsheets. Google Sheets and Excel remain unbeatable for customization. If you're detail-oriented, creating your template lets you track every penny while adapting to your personal style. Which tool is right for you? Stay tuned to find out how to choose the perfect one for your lifestyle. Chapter 5. Common budgeting mistakes. Even the best plans can fail without proper execution. Here are some common mistakes. Being too strict with your budget. Forgetting irregular expenses like holidays or car maintenance. Not reviewing your budget regularly. Pro tip. Set aside a fun money category to avoid feeling deprived. Are you making these mistakes? Stick around to learn how to avoid them and stay on track. Chapter 6. Advanced strategies for budgeting. Once you've mastered the basics, take your budgeting to the next level. Zero-based budgeting. Assign every dollar a job. Cash envelope system. Perfect for those who overspend with cards. Automated savings. Pay yourself first by automating your savings. In addition to these strategies, explore new trends like sinking funds. Save for future expenses in smaller increments. For example, instead of being hit with a $1,200 insurance bill, Set aside $100 per month in a dedicated account. Bucket budgeting. Separate your finances into buckets, e.g., vacations, home repairs, etc., to visualize your goals better. Ready to take your budget to pro-level status? Keep watching to unlock these powerful strategies. Chapter 7. Real-life success stories inspiring your journey. Stories motivate us, so let's look at real-life examples of people who turned their finances around with budgeting. Here's the truth. Financial success is not just for the rich. It's for anyone willing to take control. Many people like you have started their journey with small steps and ended up achieving extraordinary results. Think about the possibilities. Paying off all your debt, traveling the world without financial stress, or even retiring early while pursuing your passions. Case study: Sarah the Debt Slayer. How Sarah paid off $50,000 in debt in 3 years using the cash envelope system. Case study: Mike the Smart Saver. Mike used the 50/30/20 rule to save for his dream vacation in under a year. Case study: The Johnson family. A family of 5 who turned chaos into clarity by tracking every expense. Call to action. If this resonates with you, don't wait. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss upcoming videos where we discuss smart investments, passive income ideas, and the secrets to financial independence. Let's take this journey together. Conclusion. Congratulations. You now have all the tools and strategies to budget your money like a pro. Remember, start small. Consistency is key. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Celebrate your wins no matter how small. So, what's your biggest financial goal for this year? Let me know in the comments below. Let's make it happen together. And don't forget, the next video will teach you how to turn these budgeting skills into strategies for building wealth in your 20s and beyond. See you there.